take your editing workflow to the next level with speed and precision. Best Desktop for video editing options deliver powerful processors, fast storage, and smooth graphics performance, helping creators render faster, multitask effortlessly, and handle demanding projects with professional-level efficiency. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started.
Number 1. Dell Tower Plus EBT2250 Desktop. The Dell Tower Plus EBT2250 Desktop is a powerhouse designed for users who need strong performance for gaming, multitasking, and demanding creative workloads. Powered by the Intel Ultra 7 2650 processor and paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics, this desktop handles modern gaming, content creation, and professional applications with ease. The 32GB DDR5 memory ensures smooth multitasking, while the 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD delivers quick boot times and fast file access. Its wide range of connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C, provides flexibility for multiple displays and accessories. Bluetooth 5.4 and Ethernet support ensure reliable connectivity for online gaming or office productivity. The included keyboard and mouse makes setup simple right out of the box. With VR-ready graphics and excellent expandability, this desktop is ideal for users seeking future-ready performance. It's an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and power users wanting speed, reliability, and premium desktop capability. Number 2. HP ProTower Business Desktop. The HP ProTower Business Desktop is a practical and reliable solution for office professionals, students, and home users who need dependable daily performance. Powered by the Intel Core i5-13500 processor with 14 cores and 20 threads, it delivers efficient multitasking and smooth handling of productivity applications. Whether managing spreadsheets, attending virtual meetings, or running multiple browser tabs, this desktop performs consistently. The 32GB DDR4 memory allows responsive multitasking, while the 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD ensures quick startup times and fast data access. Integrated Intel UHD Graphics 770 is well suited for standard office tasks, media playback, and dual-monitor productivity setups. Connectivity is another strength, featuring Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, Gigabit Ethernet, and multiple USB ports for peripherals. Its professional design fits neatly into any workspace without taking up too much room. For buyers seeking a stable, efficient, and affordable desktop for business or educational use, the HP ProTower offers a strong balance of speed, functionality, and everyday reliability.
Number 3. Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 Desktop. The Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is a smart choice for users who value productivity, flexibility, and modern business-ready performance. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors, it delivers smooth, everyday computing with added AI capabilities that can improve workflow efficiency for multitasking and productivity tasks. The desktop supports multiple monitor configurations, making it excellent for professionals who need expanded screen space for spreadsheets, editing, or workflow management. One of its most appealing features is the toolless design, allowing quick internal access for upgrades and maintenance without unnecessary hassle. Security is also a major advantage, with a hardware TPM chip and built-in lock support that help protect sensitive data. Its sleek and sustainable construction gives it a modern appearance while reflecting Dell's focus on eco-friendly design. This desktop is well-suited for office environments, remote work, and professional setups that require dependable performance. For users seeking upgrade-friendly functionality and practical everyday power, the Dell ECT1250 is a strong investment. Number 4. Dell Optiplex 3060 Desktop. The Dell Optiplex 3060 Desktop is a solid option for users looking for an affordable computer with dependable performance and a unique visual twist. Its standout RGB side panel lighting gives this desktop a more customized appearance, making it appealing for users who want a simple workstation with some gaming-inspired style. Designed as a refurbished system, it offers excellent value while maintaining reliable functionality for web browsing, office work, online classes, and media streaming. Dell's Optiplex line is known for durability and long-term reliability, and this model continues that tradition. It is also backed by support from a Microsoft-authorized refurbisher, which adds confidence for buyers concerned about quality. While it may not be intended for high-end gaming or intensive creative tasks, it performs well for everyday computing. This desktop is a budget-friendly choice for students, home users, and light office productivity.
Number 5. HP Workstation PC Desktop. The HP Workstation PC Desktop is built for users who need reliable performance for creative and professional workloads. Equipped with an Intel 8th Gen Hexa-Core i5 processor, 32GB DDR4 RAM, and NVIDIA Quadro K1200 graphics, it handles demanding applications like video editing, CAD design, 3D modeling, and rendering with solid efficiency. The Quadro graphics card is optimized for professional software, delivering better stability for design and engineering tasks compared to standard consumer graphics. Storage is another major advantage, combining a fast 1TB SSD for quick boot times and software loading with an additional 4TB HDD for large project files and media libraries. The extensive port selection makes it easy to connect multiple monitors and professional accessories. Its workstation-grade design ensures dependable operation for long hours of productivity. For content creators, architects, engineers, and designers looking for a capable and affordable desktop workstation, this HP system provides excellent value with balanced performance and impressive storage capacity. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.